Usually, buying new tech means paying for everything it can do. You know, the wireless syncing, the cloud backup, companion apps, all that stuff.
Yeah, the smart features.
Right. But today, we are doing a deep dive into some hardware spec sheets and security white papers you shared, where the ultimate selling point is actually what the device explicitly lacks. We are looking at the WolfPack Secure 18x10 4K HDMI Matrix Switch by HDTV Supply.
And at its core, I mean, this is a seriously heavy-duty piece of enterprise hardware. It routes ultra-high-definition 4K video at 60 Hz to up to 18 TVs simultaneously.
Wow, 18 TVs.
Yeah, and it also handles both embedded and de-embedded audio, so it can keep the sound bundled with the video feed or, you know, strip it out to send to a completely separate, secure speaker system.
Which is impressive, sure, but here's the irony. In a tech landscape that is just absolutely obsessed with connectivity, this $4,800 device proudly advertises no Wi-Fi, no control apps, no internet cabling, and no RS232 ports.
Right, no RS232, which is wild because that's the standard connection IT departments use to remotely control AV gear.
Exactly. So why would anyone pay nearly $5,000 for a dumb box?
Well, it sounds counterintuitive until you look at the target audience. We're talking maximum security installations here. Military command centers, government intelligence hubs, that kind of thing.
Places where convenience is basically just another word for vulnerability.
Exactly. Every single network port is a potential door for a bad actor. So by eliminating remote connectivity entirely, the manufacturer just physically removes those doors.
And they also use a non-reprogrammable ROM, right? Like the core memory is physically hardwired.
Right, because the ROM can't be rewritten, so even if someone breached the physical facility, they couldn't just upload malicious firmware to spy on the video feeds.
Oh, wow. So the hardware literally will not accept new code.
Nope, it won't. And while the raw video signal itself is heavily encrypted using the HDTV 2.3 standard to prevent anyone from intercepting the feed,
the actual control of that signal remains completely offline.
Totally offline, yeah.
It's essentially like an air-gapped submarine for video routing. You can't just log in from a laptop down the hall to change the display. You physically have to walk up, stand in front of the rack, and push the front panel buttons or, use the built-in LCD screen.
Yeah, and good luck getting inside the thing. Even the cabinet assembly is locked down with anti-tamper switches and physical secure screws. You are essentially trading modern digital convenience for absolute, verifiable physical security.
But wait, that introduces a massive logistical problem, doesn't it? If this cabinet is locked tight with secure screws and totally cut off from remote troubleshooting, how do you actually maintain it?
That is the million-dollar question.
Right. Like, say you are running a highly secure facility and one single HDMI port burns out. Does that mean you have to unbolt the entire unit, pull it out of the rack, and shut down everyone's video feed just to fix a single bad connection?
Well, that is the exact paradox of extreme security, right?
Yeah.
You lock the front door so tightly that you lock out your own maintenance crew. But the engineering workaround here is actually brilliant. It relies entirely on modularity. Rather than using one massive motherboard for all the inputs and outputs, the system uses the secure, individual, one-port, slide-in HDMI cards.
Oh, I see. So if a single port fails, you don't have to send the whole machine out for repair.
You don't even have to power it down. These individual cards are hot pluggable.
Wait, really? While it's running?
While the main unit is actively running and routing secure video to the other 17 screens, yeah, a technician can just unscrew the single broken card, slide it out, and swap in a spare. Zero downtime.
Wow, that solves the exact maintenance nightmare created by its own security measures.
Yeah, it really proves that sometimes the most advanced security strategy isn't, a complex firewall. It's ruthless physical isolation paired with smart modular design.
It really makes you rethink our whole obsession with connected devices. Whether you manage high-level IT infrastructure or you're just fascinated by tech extremes, this switch proves that completely offline hardware still has a critical purpose.
It absolutely does.
Which leaves you, the listener, with this to consider. As literally every appliance, tool, and gadget around you becomes internet connected, what everyday items will we eventually have to strip of their smart features just to keep your daily life truly secure?